This morning, Ontario launched its own vaccine certificate. As of today, Ontarians will need to provide proof of vaccination before entering certain high-risk indoor settings, including restaurants, bars, casinos, theaters, and gyms. These settings were chosen based on the advice of the Chief Medical Officer of Health. The policy does not apply to outdoor spaces where the risk of transmission is much lower. I know that many people are concerned about this certificate and what it means for your civil liberties. I know that this is a divisive issue, and that's understandable. I want you to know that I hear you. Our government understands your concerns. And it's no secret that I was reluctant to use this tool. But our highest concern, what keeps me up at night, is ensuring we never lose our hard-fought progress. We can't afford to shut down again or experience a sudden surge in cases, like we're seeing in other provinces across the country. And I truly believe that this tool, these certificates, they're the best chance we have to get through this coming months without having to move backwards. But let me be very clear. This is a temporary and exceptional measure, and we will only use these certificates for as long as they are needed and not one day longer. So today, in the weeks ahead, it's important that each of us remain patient, especially with business owners and frontline workers implementing the vaccine certificate. They've gone through so much during this pandemic and deserve our support. As we begin this vaccine certificate, there'll be a period of learning. I want to be clear, enforcement will lead with education and will be reasonable to business owners. As we have from the very outset of this pandemic, we will continue to rely on individuals to do the right thing. It's the same sense of the Ontario spirit that has brought us so far. In fact, over the past several days, Ontario has been holding the line in our fight against the Delta-driven fourth wave. With so many people rolling up their sleeves, with entire communities coming together, following public health guidelines, Ontarians are getting the job done. Your hard work is bending the curve. As you continue to do what's necessary, your government will continue to support you every step of the way. Ontario has had the most cautious reopening of any province in the country. We have put health and science first and followed the direction of our medical professionals, and we will continue to do so. My friends, we have come so far together. I've been so proud of Team Ontario and the sacrifices you have made to protect each other, to protect our hospitals. So let's keep going. Let's protect the hard-fought gains we've made and continue to set an example for others to follow.